Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix keeps crashing on H70 user. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side button and volume up button at the time. You will see restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and set software update. After click on software update, so you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on factory reset. After click on factory reset, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps crashing on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.